Hey folks, we've all been there. It's a beautiful summer's day. You're chilling on the patio with a cold drink when a pesky cloud of gnats descends on your peaceful retreat. It's a total bummer, right? If you're thinking, there's got to be a better way, then you're absolutely in the right place. Because today, we're going to break down exactly how to get rid of gnats, all using simple DIY methods. No fancy sprays or exterminators needed. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Alright, let's dive in. We're going to kick things off with one of the simplest, most effective DIY methods around, the good old vinegar trap. This method's tried and true, with researchers at Rutgers University even noting that apple cider vinegar is a fantastic bait for these annoying critters. Here's how you do it. Pour apple cider vinegar into a jar about halfway should do the trick. Next, add a few drops of dish soap. This will break the surface tension of the vinegar and trap the gnats. Stretch a piece of plastic wrap over the top and poke some holes in it. The gnats will be lured in by the vinegar, but they won't be able to escape. Crafty, huh? Another little trick up our sleeves is using overripe fruit. The Journal of Chemical Ecology back in 2010 noted that gnats are attracted to fermenting fruits. Just place some in a jar, cover it with plastic wrap, poke some holes, and voila! A homemade gnat trap. Now, what if I told you that a relaxing evening with a bottle of wine could also help solve your gnat problem? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. A study from the University of Idaho found that wine, even the cheap stuff, is super attractive to gnats. So go ahead, pour yourself a glass, and leave a little in the bottle. Just like with our other traps, the gnats will be lured in and will find it hard to escape. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good yellow sticky trap. They may not be the most glamorous solution, but boy do they work. A study from the University of California, Riverside confirmed that yellow sticky traps are great at catching gnats. Well folks, that wraps up our DIY journey into how to get rid of gnats. Who knew a bit of apple cider vinegar or an overripe banana could make such a difference, right? And all this without any costly exterminators or harsh chemicals. How awesome is that? Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with all your friends and family who might be having a gnat invasion, and drop us a comment down below. Let us know what methods work best for you, or if you have any other DIY tips for getting rid of gnats. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, with a little bit of patience and these simple DIY solutions, you can reclaim your home and outdoor space from those pesky gnats. So here's to a future free of gnats. Catch you next time.